everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a walkthrough video of my March 2020 Country Craft Creations Design Team project. It is using the CottonTail collection by Authentique, a really beautiful vintage type of a Easter collection. So I really loved working with it. So here is the cover. I did use one of the 4x6 cut aparts right here, and then these pieces here on the edge are actually just cut out of the paper. These are from the punch out sheets. This, trying to think if this is I think this was a punch out as well here, this lovely little thing there. And then there is the spine. I just kind of strategically cut it out of the paper to get the bunny and the little note. And then there's the back of the album. So it is an 8x10 album. And let's just get it opened up here. And I'm just gonna make sure that I am still in frame. Okay, we're good. All right, so on the front cover here, there is a waterfall with a magnetic closure. So I've just used some of the 4x6 cut aparts there. And again, it has a magnetic closure, and the waterfall is actually on a pocket here. So I have a nice large insert. You could put a large photo on the back. So that is the front inside cover. The front, or the first page here, has a pocket right here with a nice large insert. And then it opens up like this. And on the back it has another pocket with some inserts as well, and then just room for a nice large photo here. And it closes up. And then something a little bit unique about this album is that the insert can actually be pulled out of the top or the bottom, the insert that goes inside the large pockets. So I'll just pull out one for you. And then, so there's just a nice large insert in there with some beautiful pattern papers from the collection on both sides. All right, so then the back of page 1, there is a lovely closure here with magnetic closure with a 4x6 picture flap, and we have a couple of them here. I just left the back of these ones blank so you could put photos, but you could certainly put pattern paper. And then there's a nice large space for a photo here, and then the magnet under here actually keeps these pages closed. And then this is a mirror page here, so it's the same as the other one. I did cover the back of these so you can kind of see the difference. And then the same thing with the insert, it will come out top or bottom, but I'm just going to leave it in for this page. All right, so this page here again has the nice large pocket on the front here with two nice inserts. And then this is one of the 4x6 cut aparts. And again, it opens up, and there's some nice inserts inside here in the pocket inside. And then again, a nice room for a large photo there, and then that closes up with a magnet. And then again here, there's again the pocket. There's no inserts in here yet, but there will be. Eventually I'll have a nice large insert in there. And then it opens up, and then you have room for a photo or some more inserts here, and then room for a large photo. And then the back, the very last page again has the nice 4x6 photo mats that open up with the nice large space in here. And then it just closes up again with a magnet. And again, this page also has the insert that will come out either side. And then on the back inside cover, I have another little waterfall here, and then the pocket. What I thought would be kind of fun to do is put a little present in here for the recipient. So I left a little bit more space in my spine here so this would fit. So it is actually on this sheet of paper here, so it can slide in and fit into here. So what it is you open it up and it has a magnet to close it, and then there's some little Easter eggies in there. And in the tutorial I said I wasn't gonna tape them down, but I did end up doing that just because they did fall out. So I just put a little piece of tape under here so that my eggies would stay secure in there. So I thought that was a kind of fun little surprise for the back of the book, and this is just one of the little punch out sheets or punch out pieces from the collection as well. So that is the cute little Easter book using the CottonTail collection from Authentique. Again, I'm sorry that this little walkthrough is a little bit late, but now you see it and you can see what the finished product is, and hopefully most of you have already finished yours. And now you can go ahead and finish it off with the walkthrough video. So again, I will link the tutorial below. Everything I used for this will be linked below, including magnets and tape and chipboard and the collection, the seam binding. Everything will be linked below to the Country Craft Creations store. So I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Comment, it always makes my day to see your guys' comments. And I hope you have a lovely day.